How to pin a tweet on Twitter. Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to pin a tweet on Twitter. So first is you have to make sure that your Twitter application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store here and type in the application. Now you will see an update button. Now if you see that, you click on that. Then wait for the application to be updated. Now, as you can see here, I do not have an update button, meaning my application is already updated. So now, if it's updated, we can now start to our tutorial. So let's go back to our home page, then go to the application, the Twitter application. Then here you will see your Twitter, you will see your feeds here, the posts, and many more. Go here to your profile. Now here you will see what you retweeted. On that post or that tweet, you will see a 3 button. As you can see here, you cannot pin a tweet that you retweeted, but instead you can pin the tweet that you tweeted yourself. For example, this one. Let's click on the 3 buttons here, and here you'll see pin to profile. Now click on pin. Now as you can see, it will be the first thing that will come out, or that they will see, or you will see on your Twitter account. As you can see here, I've already pinned this tweet. So that concludes our tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions you may have in the comment section below. And have a great day.